Our kitchen experts bought 9 of the best mixing bowl sets on the market for hands-on side-by-side testing. If it's time to slim down and simplify that collection of old mixing bowls in your cupboard, our in-depth and unique testing procedures are designed to assess the functionality of these baking sets in full. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best mixing bowls in 2023. So let's get started.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 1. Cuisinart CTG-00-SMB Stainless Steel. The Cuisinart stainless steel set with lids is our top choice thanks to its sleek and simple design, and we wound up reaching for this set the most often in our kitchen. This set comes with 3 bowls, a 1.5 QT, a 3 QT, and a 5 QT, each with an accompanying lid that is secure and easy to use. We found that these bowls were conveniently sized deep enough to contain splashes and spray when whisking while still allowing for room to toss a salad or mix up a slaw without spillage. Though they don't have a silicone bottom, they were surprisingly stable. The bowls nest well, and the lids fit securely, making for easy storage. Number 2. Mixing bowl set of 6. The Sagler stainless steel set of 6 is a great starter option for a new apartment or if you're simply looking for a great deal. This basic mixing bowl set comes with 6 bowls of varying sizes, with the largest measuring in at 8 quarts. This set is versatile and easy to store. The bowls have a wide, flat base that provides stability when mixing vigorously, and the sides of the bowls are shallow, which is great for making large salads and whisking. We also appreciate that this set comes with 6 bowls, yet it costs half the price of many other options on the market. Number 3. Wildone Mixing Bowls Set of 5. Looking for a robust bowl set with plastic lids and a silicone base, but don't want to spend the extra dough on the premium brands? The Wildone stainless nesting could be your answer. With 5 bowls in the set, ranging from 0.63 quarts to 5 quarts, the Wildone has a satisfactory range of size options. These bowls performed similarly to some of our favorites while costing much less. We liked the stability their silicone bases provided and actually appreciated the grating attachments that come with the set. The major downside to this set is its storage capabilities. Because there are so many accessories, 3 grater attachments and lids for all 5 bowls, storing these stainless bowls can be a real hassle. Number 4. OXO Good Grips. Perfect for everyday kitchen tasks or using a hand mixer to make a batch of whipped cream. This OXO Good Grip set earned our top spot in side-by-side testing. These bowls have a stainless steel interior and a plastic exterior with a non-skid base, providing insulation against heat or cold so you can work with hot or chilly foods while keeping your hands comfortable. That insulation also made these bowls ideal for holding rising bread dough during testing, since the dough stayed at a more constant temperature, even in our tester's drafty kitchen. Thanks to the rubber bottom and the slightly heavier weight, these stay very stable on the counter, our tester noted. Number 5. OXO Good Grips 3. This 3-piece set of bowls welcomes your hand mixer, with deep sides that minimize splashing and a handle on each bowl that's easy to hang onto with one hand while you're using the mixer with the other hand. The bowls are made from durable plastic that won't crack or break with normal use, and they feature a rubbery bottom that won't slide on your kitchen counter. We noticed that the lightweight plastic makes the bowls easy to lift while scraping and emptying as well. When it came to moving cake batter from bowl to pan during testing, we found that it was easy to grab the handle and pour from the pour spout. That spout would also be handy for draining excess liquid after marinating and macerating,